Yo guys, Aqua, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be focusing on some new methods of modding that have come around after the patch which broke everything, as well as the progress on some of the older methods to fix them and get them working again. Now, some of the main topics which will be covered in today's video are around leaking and F-model. There'll be a few things about replay decompression. We're going to be speaking about a new item called the Llamatron, as well as possibly going over packet replaying. Now, there's two things I want to quickly mention before I do start today's video. Now, I've been streaming every day at 4 PM GMT over at Twitch, so I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can go ahead and follow me. You can come to the streams. Some of them are interactive and some of them we kind of just chill out. And the other thing I do want to quickly mention is if you are new to the channel and you do enjoy today's video, I recommend you leaving a like and subscribing to the channel, as it helps me out a lot more than you do understand. So the first topic that we will be covering is leaking. Now, towards the end of season 4, I did make a video which spoke about how Fortnite modding has slowly came to an end due to the fact that they released an update that made the game break. Now, everyone in the community did go a few days without leaking because all of the tools that we did have at our hand were broken. Since then, tools like F-model and U-model have been fixed up so they can work on any version of the game like before, and now we can continue to pass files and look at some of the unreleased items. Now, for anyone who is curious in using F-model or U-model, I'm going to leave a link for both of them in the description so you're able to download them and start using them today. Now, the next project I do want to talk about is called Fortnite Time Vault. Now, this project was made by one of my friends, Titch. What he has done is compiled a project together which contains a bunch of unlockers, a bunch of private servers, a bunch of skins, a bunch of different custom pack tools, and kind of put them together into one project. Now, this is here to show the history of everything the community has done together to make an impact on modding, and it's here for anyone to contribute their own things as well as put down their history in the game. Now, the next topic I do want to talk about is called replay decompression. Now, replay decompression is one of the most popular methods at the minute for getting any new item in game or in a replay file of sort. Now, the video I did post a few weeks ago now about getting Galactus in game was using this method, where essentially all I did was edit a replay file and change the things that were loaded inside. Now, other leakers on Twitter have used this to get new guns in game. They've also used it to get skins and a bunch of other things early inside of the game. Now, the way this method does work is by decompressing your replay file and editing it in HXD. Now, inside of this file, it will almost be like a pack file. You get different paths and different things you need to change. One example of this could be loading the Renegade Raider. You could have a default skin, you could find its path, and then you could swap it with the Renegade Raider's path, almost like a skin swapper. Now, there's not much more I can really say about this. I'm going to go ahead and jump onto the next project. Now, the next thing I do want to talk about is Fortnite Creative. There have been a few new weapons and devices added to Creative, such as Kit's mythic shotgun, as well as a new device named the Llamatron. Now, the way we did get these devices and weapons were something called Onyx. Now, Onyx was a private server where it is a hybrid between Epic servers and also between their private server, which allowed them to go into a game and get essentially whatever item they wanted in Creative. Now, you may have seen a few videos about the mythic charged shotgun, and a few people managed to get it on their island due to this method. Now, what I'll do is I'll show a quick screenshot on my screen now on what it did look like and how it looks in the creative menu, and I'm also going to show you the creative menu with a few weird modded guns inside. Now, another device which was leaked to the game was called the Llamatron. Now, the Llamatron was a developer device that was used to display videos set to fixed IDs which were almost streams from the internet. Now, people did manage to spawn in a device and they managed to save it on their own creative island so they could share it to everyone else. Now, I'm going to show you a quick clip on your screen now where you can see how the device worked and what it did.
Fly across the country, I finished the show and I've been it. I got me a milli, I did it legitly. I'm still with the shit, I'm hot. I needed some with some bop in. Let's go. I'm unorthodox than a muff. Hey, when you gon' switch the flow? I thought you never asked.
So that's going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, I recommend you leaving a like and subscribing to the channel, as it helps me out a lot more than you understand. And I'm also going to leave a link to my Twitch in the description so you can go ahead and follow me and see me live some days. Peace out.